Bonjour, bonjour, welcome back. Okay, so this is lesson number 3, topic 1. Lesson number 3 is about introducing someone else formally. Remember, in the previous two lessons, we've learned how to introduce ourselves formally and informally. In this one, we're going to introduce somebody else formally. So, oh, you've noticed my microphone. Yes, I've changed it. From time to time, I will change my microphone. Sometimes I tend to think about myself as a musician, as an artist in a rock band, and yeah, it happens sometimes. Okay, so let's go back to the lesson. Topic 1. For this lesson, I have here two dialogues that will kind of mimic what you will usually say when introducing someone in French. And to give you an idea of what I will say here in dialogue 1, it will be something like Christine. We'll have two names to remember, Christine and Alex Durand. These are the two people, the two persons that I would like to introduce to one another, to each other. So, Christine and Alex Durand. So you want to say something like that. You want to say, Christine, let me introduce you to Alex Durand, Christine. That kind of situation. If you, if you are used to introducing friends between friends and stuff like that. But here we are doing it formally. Okay. So you are, let's say, at a gala, or you are at, I don't know, a conference, and you want to introduce two different professors. You say, sir, I'd like to introduce you to professor or doctor or something, and okay, you get the idea. Yeah. So you want to say, Christine, let me introduce you to Alex Durand, Christine. So it will sound like that in French. Christine, je vous présente Alex Durand. That's you saying that, right? Christine, je vous présente Alex Durand. Now, je vous présente is the most important term here. Je vous présente. Présenter, if you remember lesson 1 or lesson 2, we said that présenter or se présenter means to introduce someone or to introduce ourselves. So présenter here, to introduce. So when you say je vous présente, it means I introduce to you. But in a nicer way, let me introduce you to. So je vous présente Alex Durand. Again, Christine, je vous présente Alex Durand. It means, Christine, let me introduce you to Alex Durand. Again, je vous présente. This is the key element here, the key phrase to remember. Je vous présente. Je vous présente. To introduce someone formally to another person. And Alex Durand will say, no, pardon, excuse me. Christine will say, enchanté, monsieur, enchanté, monsieur. Enchanté, pleased, nice to meet you. Enchanté, enchanté, pleased. Happy to meet you, pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. Enchanté, monsieur. She could have said also ravi, 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 ravi de vous rencontrer. It's another way, it's another synonym of enchanté, ravi. Je suis ravi de vous rencontrer. Je suis enchanté de vous rencontrer. Je suis ravi de faire votre connaissance. So I'm happy to know you, to meet you. So enchanté, monsieur. Nice to meet you, sir. I'm pleased to meet you, sir. And then Alex Durand will also say enchanté de même. So likewise, I'm also pleased. Enchanté de même. De même means also. De même means also. You know, même means same. If you want to know, same for même. So when you say enchanté de même, it means same here. I'm also pleased to meet you, madame. Madame for Christine. We're being formal here. We call people monsieur and madame. So let me read it all together to give you an idea of how it goes. So, Christine, je vous présente Alex Durand. Enchanté, monsieur. Enchanté de même, madame. Again, Christine, je vous présente Alex Durand. Enchanté, monsieur. I'm trying to mimic Christine's voice. And Alex Durand, enchanté de même, madame. Enchanté de même, madame. So, very basic. You know what you need to say. Je vous présente. And then the person being introduced will say, enchanté, pleased to meet you, nice to meet you. And the other person, enchanté de même. Me too, I'm pleased to meet you. Me too, de même, same. Likewise, madame, ma'am, etc. So just for practice, you just need to change the names here to give you an idea of how it works. You know, try to implement that right away. Pick two different names and do it yourself. You see how it works. Okay. Now, another dialogue here that would kind of mimic a typical introduction, a formal introduction between two people here will be Christine, connaissez-vous Alex Durand? Again, we are asking Christine whether she knows Alex Durand. So, connaissez-vous, connaître means to know. So, do you know Alex Durand? Connaissez-vous Alex Durand? Or you could say, est-ce que vous connaissez Alex? So, you could use the est-ce method or you could use the inversion method. So, Christine, est-ce que vous connaissez Alex Durand? Est-ce que vous connaissez? Est-ce que vous connaissez? This is an S, okay? So, two S's. So, Christine, est-ce que vous connaissez Alex Durand? Or, Christine, connaissez-vous Alex Durand? So, do you know Alex Durand? And she will say, obviously, if she doesn't know him, she will say, non, pas encore. Or, non, pas du tout. No, not at all. Or, no, not yet. I haven't met him yet. Non, pas encore. Non, pas du tout. Pas du tout means no, not at all. Non, pas du tout. Okay. And then she will greet him, bonjour, monsieur. Or she could also say, enchanté, monsieur, right? Enchanté, here. She could also say the same thing, enchanté, pleased to meet you. Or she can simply greet him, bonjour, monsieur. And then Alex Durand will reply, saying, bonjour, madame, enchanté. Hello, ma'am, pleased to meet you. So you could, switch things around, but I'm giving you the core phrases that you need to remember. Here it was, je vous présente and enchanté. Je vous présente, allow me to introduce you to, and in the second dialogue it was, connaissez-vous, do you know, connaissez-vous, or est-ce que vous connaissez Alex Durand, do you know Alex Durand? That's all you need to remember here. Two different dialogues, pick one, master it, and whenever you find yourself in a formal situation and you need to introduce two different people, that's all you need to know. That's all you need to say. Okay, so that's it for lesson number 3, excuse me. Stay tuned for lesson number 4, in which we're going to learn how to introduce someone else informally. Let's introducing two different friends. Okay, if you have a friend or you have a family member introduced to someone else, you're gonna say something different than this one here, these dialogues. So stay tuned for that one, and I'll see you soon. Merci et à très bientôt. Bye bye.